Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today's the day. It's raining. I got the Apex front mount intakes, the new scoops, and also new grill. So let's check it out. We're gonna get this installed today. All right, so this is what the car looks like right now. OEM grill. Remember, I did not get the carbon exterior package from factory, so I had to buy all that separately from BMW. We have all the other pieces. We just need to change this out. This is what the intakes look like right now. Just some plastic pieces, but I think what they're gonna have to do is remove the grill, probably put like something in there and then bring out the front. But yeah, that's what that looks like. These are color matched Brooklyn gray intakes. Look at the finishing quality on these guys. I'm so excited for this. Pretty close match, the Brooklyn gray. I wasn't expecting it to be this close, but oh yeah, they got it spot on. Shout out to Apex Built for this one. Yeah, let me drop my car off right now, and then I'll keep you guys posted after the install with some sound clips. I got, this is the before. Super quiet, so we'll let you guys see what it looks like afterwards, but yep. Alright guys, so I came a little bit early. Check out the fitment on this. The shop even tucked in the wires the proper way. I know a lot of you guys see this just, I thought I was gonna have to put this in myself, but yeah, all the wires are in properly. You want to flip this a little bit and I'll show the front? Yeah, we're at Detail Driven. If you guys need anything, come here. There we go. Oh, that is sick. And then they taped everything off on the install. We got one of the filters in. This looks like a pretty complicated install for intakes. Oh man. Look at that color, guys. So we're almost done, just buttoning up a few things, and then yeah, I'll show you guys how it sounds. I think we're about to get the first start right now.
Has to be. Yeah. You can move that towel.
These things are massive. Oh, sick. One more time. Dude, that sounds amazing. Alright, so everything's buttoned up right now. This thing just looks so pretty, guys. Brooklyn gray. Now we're about to get the bumper put on. Dude, that face is so different right now. What in the world?
gonna put water
I can't wait to put this down and just let you guys see what it looks like.
I'm gonna put screws in first. Well, this has to be lined up first. It's not gonna be
All right, we're gonna do some adjustments and then I'll get back to you guys.
yeah. Just a couple more bolts and then you should be.
He's a beauty, guys. All right, guys, we are back at the usual spot. I just want to give you guys a quick look of the front end right now. Dude, this thing looks great. And then the noise level with these intakes, oh man, I don't even know how to describe it. But this made a drastic change to the exhaust note. I still need to get the axle back, but I'm pretty happy with how it is right now. I don't know if I need the catless downpipes or whatnot, but let me show you guys what it looks like real quick. There we go. The filters are black, so that's how the intakes sit. I wanted red at times, but I'm pretty happy with this right here. And if they get dirty, you can't really see them. So yeah, that's the front grille. Complete change. I know a lot of you guys did not like the stock grille. And then we got the double slat. Guys, this looks better than what comes stock. I think it's just so aggressive. All I need now is like a lip to complete that front end. But I'm very happy with these. Let's pop the hood real quick. Apex Built did an amazing job with the quality of this product. Everything is built here. The powder coat is spot on, guys. I was expecting a pretty, I don't know, a different shade, to be honest, because it's really hard to match these things. All right, so that's the stock color right there, Brooklyn Gray. And then we have the color match right there. This looks sick, guys. I think it looks like a completely new car. It's carbon. We got some more carbon. Some more carbon. Interior. Carbon here. Carbon there. All right, guys, so there we have it. Super satisfied. We're gonna do the exhaust or the axle back next, but I get some more clips up so you can hear what it sounds like. I hope the stuff I recorded a little while ago is pretty clear. If not, we'll get some better clips for you, and stay tuned for that rear axle back section. Haven't decided exactly who to go with. We got GT Haas, MAD. I don't know yet, we're gonna see, but I'm pretty happy where it's at right now. Then we're gonna do some coilovers on this. Probably not springs, leaning towards coilovers. So yeah, stay tuned everyone.